In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Metabase account 2026, step by step. Let's get started right from the home page. Open your browser and go to metabase.com. This is the official site for Metabase, the open source business intelligence and embedded analytics platform. Once the page loads, look toward the top of the site for the login option. Click that to move into the sign-in flow. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to load, or zoom out a bit so the header is fully visible. You'll land on the Metabase Cloud login page. Here, you'll choose your Metabase workspace. Most organizations have a unique subdomain for their workspace. If yours is listed, click it to continue. If it's not visible, use the search or type your workspace URL directly into your browser's address bar in the format your team provided. Choosing the correct workspace ensures you're signing in to the right environment with the right dashboards and permissions. On the workspace sign-in screen, select the option to sign in to Metabase. This takes you to the standard login form. In the email field, enter the work email associated with your account. Make sure there are no typos and that caps lock isn't on. When you're ready, click sign in to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted for your password. Type your password carefully. If your organization uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, you may see those prompts here. Just follow your company's usual verification steps. When everything looks good, click sign in again to complete the process. After a moment, you should be redirected to your Metabase homepage or the last dashboard you viewed. That's it. You're in. From here, you can open dashboards, explore questions, or check collections based on your permissions. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the login button doesn't respond, refresh the page and try again. If you're bounced back to the login screen, double check that you selected the correct workspace and that your email matches the account for that workspace. If you've recently changed your password, clear your browser cache or try a private window to avoid conflicts with saved sessions. And if your team uses a password manager, let it autofill only after you've confirmed you're on the correct workspace sign-in page. If you still can't log in, reach out to your workspace administrator or your IT team to confirm your account status and access method. That's the complete walkthrough for logging into your Metabase account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.